Today we will learn about the pie chart. So what is the pie chart? In previous video we have already learned about the bar graph and pictograph also. So here we will learn about the pie chart. It is also one kind of information. So let's start. Data can also be represented pictorially with the help of pie charts. It means यहाँ जो डेटा गिवन है सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दैट. यहाँ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बुक्स गिवन है लाइक कॉमिक बुक्स, कोर्स बुक, स्टोरी बुक्स एंड सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स. सो वी नो दैट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द कोर्स बुक आर मोर देन द अदर बुक्स. तो यहाँ ऑलरेडी दिखता है इन दिस पाई चार्ट दैट कोर्स बुक्स आर मोर देन कॉमिक्स बुक, स्टोरी बुक्स एंड सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स. अंडरस्टूड? Now, a pie chart is a circular chart representing the relationship between a whole and its part. In a pie chart, a circular is divided into parts according to the number of data items. So here already यहाँ जो pie chart है already given है that कॉमिक्स बुक्स यहाँ इतने पोर्शन है, स्टोरी बुक्स लाइक दिस वे एंड द कोर्स बुक्स आर हाफ देन द अदर बुक्स, राइट? सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट द पाई चार्ट. सो हाउ टू ड्रॉ पाई चार्ट? इट मीन्स वन टाइप ऑफ सर्कल. अंडरस्टूड? एंड जो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है अकॉर्डिंग टू देम वी विल डू. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. In an amusement park, out of 100 people, 25 wore green, 50 wore red, and 25 wore blue dresses. Draw a pie chart to representing data. So here we have to draw pie chart. So कैसे? First of all तो ये round shape है वो करना है and then out of 100 people. So we know that 25. It means 25 plus 50, it means 75 plus 25, it means 100, right? So here we know that I am writing here. So I am writing here 25 people wore green, it means green, right? Then 50, it means 50 red and 25 blue. Now I have already drawn pie chart. It means circular. Understood na? Now so let's draw. So according to our question, in an amusement park, out of 100 people, 25 wore green. It means I have written 25 green, 50 wore red. So 50 wore red dresses and 25 blue dresses. Understood? So I have drawn pie chart according to them. So first of all I will, यहाँ 50 है, so 50%. It means we will understand about the half portion. Understood? So I will do half. So exactly half हुआ, right? Now 25, 25. It means I will do here half. So look at here 25, 25 and 50. It means 100 हुआ ना. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आए तो 21 1 ज़ा 21, 21 2 ज़ा 50 एंड 21 1 ज़ा 21. इन सबको मैंने क्या किया? कटिंग कर दिया. इट मीन्स टोटल मुझे कितने करने हैं बॉक्स? इट मीन्स टोटल 4 पार्ट. अंडरस्टूड ना? 1 2 3 एंड 4 पार्ट. इट मीन्स यहाँ मैं कर दूँ तो 4 पार्ट हो जाएंगे और रेड के कितने पार्ट हो जाएंगे? टोटल 2 पार्ट्स. इट मीन्स 1 and 2. अंडरस्टूड? एंड 1 पार्ट इज फॉर ग्रीन एंड 1 इज फॉर ब्लू. अंडरस्टैंड? सो 50% wore red dresses. So it means I am doing here red dresses. Understood? ये है रेड पोर्शन. So 50% 50% wore red dresses. Now we know that 25% wore green dresses and 25 blue. So I am using here blue. Understood? So 25% wore blue dresses, and the last one is 25% green dresses. So I am using here green dresses. So this is our pie chart. Understood? So about this pie chart we will understood that 50% wore red dresses, 25% wore blue dresses, and 25% wore green dresses. Understood now? Now coming to our second question. So second question is, a fruit seller sold 60 bananas, 30 mangoes, 15 papayas and 15 oranges. Draw a pie chart to represent the data. It means here also we have to create pie chart. And तो यहाँ टोटल करेंगे 60 बनाना. So 60 plus 30 it means 90. 90 plus 15 it means 105 and plus 15 it means 120. Total 120 पार्ट होंगे. So it is not convenient to draw for pie chart, right ना. So हम क्या करेंगे? So इसमें से जितना कटिंग होता है ना उतना कटिंग कर देते हैं. It means 15 ones are 15. It means one part. Here is also papaya. It means here is also 15. It means 15 ones are 15. Now 15 twos are 30. It means 30 mangoes. Understood ना? And here 60 banana. So we know that 15 fours are 60. So now we will understand that we have to create only 4 plus 2 it means 6 plus 1 it means 7 plus 1 it means 8. It means we have to draw total 8 part. Understood? So we will draw 8 part of this pie chart. So let's start. So here I have already drawn pie chart, and here we discussed that 60 bananas, 30 mangoes, 15 papayas and 15 oranges. So total हम कितने पार्ट करेंगे? 4 plus 2 it means 6 plus 1 7 and plus 1 8. So let's start. So here ये one part, then so total 4 part हुए, right? Now we have to create 8 part. It means here. And understood? So it is about our pie chart. So now we will understand about the bananas. So bananas में टोटल कितने पार्ट हैं? So we have already done 4 part for bananas. It means I will fill 4 part of bananas. It means 1 part, second part, third part and 4 part. Understood ना? So here I have taken these 4 parts. It means yellow portion जो है it is for banana, right? So it is for bananas. Now 2 parts for mango. So I will write here 2 parts for mango. These 2 part, right? These 2 parts are for mangoes. So I am writing here mangoes. Now the next one is papayas for 1 part. So 1 part is for papaya. So I am taking here papaya here. Understood? So it is for papaya. So I am writing here papayas. And the remaining one is for oranges. So this one is for this part is for oranges. So I am writing here oranges. So understood? So in this pie chart we have already learned that 4 parts for banana, then 2 parts for mangoes, 1 part for oranges and 1 part for papayas. In short we will understand that ये 60 है, 60. Yeah, I have written that 60 bananas, right? It means इतना होता है in pie chart. Then 30 mangoes, 15 papayas and 15 oranges. Understood? Now coming to the next one. So here the question is, the given pie chart shows the favorite animals of a group of children. State true or false based on the given data. यहाँ pie chart given है, तो how many children like different type, सबकी choices are different. So some of the children likes, it means most of children likes dogs. Understood ना? Dog सबसे favorite animal है of these children. Then cat, horse. So we are यहाँ we have to answer the following question. It means true or false. So first one है, the least number of children like lion. So least it means less, right? So सबसे less in this pictograph we have already seen that the lion is the least. It means less than the other animal, right now? So it is exactly true. The least number of children like lion. So it is true because it is very less to compare the other one, right? Now the next one is, the horse is the favorite animal of most of the children. तो horse सबसे favorite है, so it is wrong because dog is the favorite animal of these children. So here horse जो है वो limited है. It means this statement is false, right? Now the next one है, more children like dogs than cats. Cats से ज़्यादा most of children को dog पसंद है, तो it is true. So yes, it is exactly true. It means more children like dog than cats, right? Now the last one is, more children like lion, horses and cats put together than dogs. So ये सब का मैं टोटल करूँगी, लायन प्लस हॉर्स प्लस कैट, तो ये डॉग से ज़्यादा होगा. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज यहाँ वी कैन डू दैट. हाफ से ज़्यादा चिल्ड्रन को क्या पसंद है? डॉग. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो फॉल्स. सो understood about this pie chart? Okay, thank you.